coach and the team at a Stanley Menzo. Kotoko board of directors led by the board chairman and executive chairman. On Monday, coach is on managing director of sports on coach. I was Asante Kotoko and come dear for the next coach. Almost done. General Mikacho say coach in if South Africa.
Yes.
I always tell you something. Information you need young high. One thing we can never do. Say okay, maybe bomb it because of South Africa. Na tom. Na nka be bomb it of South Africa no mko obi ofiri Egypt na me yende. Na de chamba na makasai. Aya munya botrem fama ya wate adwuma ne ye no. Se udi utirimu fan eye adwuma. Na bia no kore na busa panyi odi be ma ahwefo no. Abusa panyi samejam.
Richard Pepe shall raise the fella man.
Asante Kotoko. Initially, they wanted a Dutch coach.
Yes.
Dutch coach in the demands. Baby, I know Jan baby I could go Jan Japan. Emu wa papa. The biam catch was Lazarus and he in a kuna na dom and ubi na dem.
Okay.
Menzo sold the idea to the coach say a project any kwakwaye. Now such a huge project you pese di animo no. Kotoko no as a club omo enye bi enti nka coach ne ntiase no omo fo omo ntoma mpama no fa ntoma bebo media no fa ntoma bebo media no na nka omo mienu no ba be ya adwuma no with the hopes that omo prove what they can do at the Kotoko company for na Asante Kotoko company for will be willing and ready to ensure say one ma omo what they are looking for, but coach na ntiase coach ne de akirema or budget yes what ye and no animal Japan coach no free Netherlands no and no akokoto din no a free on the catch us Stanley no or a lot of links out South Africa
sure.
If any din one way not at first because of South African menzo de as South Africa for say names no Oru na ekoso edin komo na Japan komodie no no oni opanya ne din at the table Ngamani Tabo Ngomeni, or a former South African footballer. Tabo Ngomeni. Wano ana coach no, ene no edika edinko. Ome da sapa we. Tabo Ngomeni.
Wow. The picture no.
The picture no.
Fantastic.
I retired from a good year oye coach. And Comodiano course na Tabo Ngomeni or you interested in the Kotoko job. Wadim Fieno 57. But the needed qualification, we are Asante Kotoko, you want to be Oru and the Enyamai, silence is no. Onyanyai.
Okay.
Why you won't social home crater be beer the moment Stanley Menzo, I realize it's a taboo. Ngomeni. The qualification into me, head coach. And for Asante Kotoko, Kabiru Medasa Pa. It's CAF B diploma 2024. Owie ye no and what to license A no. But license A no a certification enya mamedi no. And Asante Kotoko it decided say they will look elsewhere. It Tabo Ngomeni de no the penny eno Kotoko e de apre ato ba bia wo mo e de ato machi.
Fantastic.
Now Kotoko still searching for a coach. Stanley Menzo me send the links for South Africa with the Penya no washe. Na me sure say obekai Eric Tinkler.
Nice one.
Eric Tinkler.
Yeah.
Eric Tinkler uru ano ni din e wo Ghana ha. Ni din wo Ghana ha. AFCON 2002. The Sean Bartlett. Ababeshe the only goal. I think that goal was scored at the Amakom end of the field. And South Africa Eddie Ghana free. So Kai Lucas Radibe no.
Yes.
So team no. Na no she. Eric Tinkler at the age of 55. Abzapanyi. Met my catch say all things being equal.
Yes.
All else constant.
The original fella man.
Ceteris Paribus. Asante Kotoko next head coach. Ayo opinion did Eric Tinkler.
Wow.
The South African Eric Tinkler.
Wow.
Abujan komo ye die chira
Papa.
ye wura ma che.
No be small.
Nyame adom information e kura. Eric Tinkler abujan obo Vit University. Obo Unadi Tamo. Obo Victoria. Okobo Kayari. Obo Barnsley. Obo Caldes. And obo Benefit Waits. In 2007, obo bina urano a calling a quit. Eddie free agro room.
Yeah.
Now or a midfielder so be kaina. Eric Tinkler was a midfielder. For the South African national team Bafana. About total of 45 games. 45 games. And opinion a boy at the South African national team. Ojai football no ball in 2007. No? And was shas say oh yeah the coaching badge and the coaching license and oh yeah hojuma. Onyan intem. Now during the time oh yeah the coaching license no. And on Stanley Menzo edinsiamu our Netherlands.
Wow.
And they've kept that professional relationship from Sabrina Babisi Sabri. Eric Tinkler ni ye ne first appointment of Japan, first appointment as a manager onya Orlando Pirates.
Wow.
Okochi Pirates between 2013 and 2016.
Yes.
Ofri on called Cape Town City. And Oko coach between 2016 and 17. Oko Super Sports United. In fact, the Super Sports every our CAF interclub competition. Ofrio about Cheaper United. 2019-2020 now our Marisbeck, South Marisbeck. Team former Asante Kotoko has of head coach and made up eco coach here.
Yeah.
Why Marisbeck Juma and so Eda.
Wow.
And we're returning back Cape Town City. 2021 Ofrio 2024.
Okay.
Or joining Sekukune United. Sekukune. Wamo ana enei Samba Ndongani Unel Ekwakoye Juma Ediamomo Sekukune.
Wow.
Will take you over March 2025. And Odiomu USC Japan Odiomu the 5th. So Kabru Benya South African League table no diamaya. Eric Tinkler at the Sekukune at the 5th. And one episode twaso. But the Kotoko deal, no, Kotoko approach, no, the coach feels that Kotoko foundation, no, near a bigger platform, near bigger.
Yes.
Again, what Stanley Menzo and come on in a day, project a Menzo a sell the amano. I convince Eric Tinkler.
Fantastic.
Se on free Sekukune United. MPM El Krobia Asante Kotoko. Metema Eric Tinkler.
Nice one.
Enti Uru Anabzapanyi Wajiatum in principle.
Wow.
Ya and Kratasemni Bibia Yadia Eda Nakwem. Eti Eric Tinkler. Baba Asante Kotoko next head coach.
Wow.
And go for say Ana Pepe Ububoy and I won ye league. I won ye league. No kwasam Zabzapanyi Sekukune need to say Ukochi Swedro All Blacks. Sekukune need to say Ukochi enemy table club. So yamfa league je amfa entwitwe obi a ono ho no ne nam no.
Yes.
Nye league je. But 5th place now unya last season no. In the history of the club, it is a huge achievement at the moment say omutimi di 5th South African Premiership no. A huge achievement. At the coach did Eric Tinkler. Now me activate my sources everywhere mo South Africa kakra no Japan.
Yes.
Say energy we coach about development of players. Kotoko direction no em want to be in the board no fa communications director and spokesperson man in chirim next year Kotoko will not be chasing league titles. Oh. They will not be chasing league title. The sort of recruitment that Japan you more and any baby Kotoko namano. As a communications director, spokesperson. What shall say consent supporters and say, your projects. Yeah, for coach. Yeah, but man, young talent. Do what developers are young talent, you know.
Yes.
Not the next 3 years, 4 years. After you go to Africa, I bet you be the ancestry about as a CAF Champions League, you know. Yeah, compete. In terms of communicate, I was a South Africa League table, no. Say na a cool year.
Just end the season, no.
Say na cool year.
Sekukune United.
Mienuna man Sundowns and Orlando Pirates.
Okay.
Kaiser Chiefs, they were third. Amazulu were fourth. Sekukuni were fifth.
With 43 points.
It way a team. And they even know say one abawrum. Omu coach on last season. Eric Tinkler. My money playing career. My money coaching career so far. Or no end of Japan. Or Asante Kotoko. Next head coach.
Fantastic.
Maybe a fella. And I'm the amount. I'm just playing some jump.
Richard Pepe shall raise the
Any Kotoko in a year or Bada Bay. Asante Kotoko football director Stanley Menzo. I'm just a date you say.
And that a 14th.
Me catch as a coach in the 16th. Obeba Ghana.
Yeah.
And I'm catch us over Ghana on Kumasi Street to be the 2 days. Now I see 18th. The 18th and the 19th. Now Oba Kumasi.
Nice one.
And now your man Eric Tinkler you know. Stanley Menzo ever China one cry. No me no Oba Kumasi abu mabuja and the 18th, 19th na kotko team no e resume no. Now boys na baba your medicals no. By 20th, which is Monday, 20th, Monday, Juada ebe na watwe no. Abusia na da bia Juada ebe ya. Enra senra Juada.
Yes.
Ejanra na watwe so. Ya be kwakusi Juada ebe. And 20th no. Na omo say World Cup ye boy 19th.
Yes.
Which is Kwasiada Ebe. Chene Juada na kotko started pre-season. But medicals at the end the 18th and 19th na chassis.
Until Monday. Coach, coming Monday.
Monday we know. Na Stanley Menzo. Any Eric Tinkler. Stanley Menzo, Eric Tinkler, but you know more kabum. Aye, a Jumano Ediama crop ya Asante Kotoko metema.
Wow.
We a exclusive fella e cry. I wait to me a day a 17. Ato yen I have for any chief on any.
Original fella man, Richard Pepe shall raise.
I was a place of a champion. Hearts of folk.